Very good morning. Okay, meet again in Milestone 4. So today I'm going to show you our Milestone 4 integration of data and communication of insight of data. For our project, crude oil, WTI and Brent price prediction. Okay, see, this is the summary of the Milestone 4. We have 5 steps here. First step is to load the data set from CSV that we have scraped from the website to the data frame. Then we need to understand the data and do the cleaning. Then we going to split the data into training and testing data set. Then we need to choose the model to do the prediction. For our project, we choose SVM and linear regression model. And then the last thing is we can do the prediction using both the two models here. Okay, so this is the coding that we have done for this milestone 4. Okay, I'm doing the Brent crude oil. I'm going to forecast Brent crude oil price, and my colleague will going to focus WTI crude oil price. Okay, the first thing we need to import pandas, numpy, sklearn to use the linear regression model and SVR, and then we need to also import the matplotlib to plot the graph. Okay, this is where my CSV file is located. This is my CSV file name. We just read the CSV and load into the data frame. Then we look the information of this data. Okay, we can look the head and the tail of the data, how it's like. Then we can describe the data to get the count, mean, standard deviation, maximum, minimum record of the data. And then we move to the second step. We need to understand and clean data. So before that, we change the data. We change the column of the data frame so that it'll be easier to call the columns. Okay, if you can see here, there are some missing data at this column. At this column, open, high and low. So the complete data is only within these two columns, date and close. Okay, first we change this, we convert this object data type of this column to date data type. Okay, there we have changed this to date data type. Okay, then we sort the column ascending. Okay, and then we change to set the index to date. We are using date as our index. Okay, then we check back the information of this data frame. Okay, there you can see here all the data, all the column that we have, only close are not we have the complete data, but other than that, open, high, low, there are some missing data in the column. For this column open, we have 49 missing data, and then high column we have 28 and low we have 30. So we're going to ignore all these column. We only want to use closed column. Okay, then we can set the new column. We can set the new data frame Brent using only this column, date and close column. Okay, this is how we do the prediction forecast for 30 days. Okay, we're going to use the 31st date record for the first record here, close, and the prediction we're going to use the 31st record. This is all the record for 30 days. Okay, we're going to plot the record of the close column. This is all the data, the price, the closing price for Brent crude oil within this period of time from 2007 to until today. Okay, we're going to set the scalar brain, going to fit transform to do the modeling. Okay, we move next. Okay, this is the training data. They're going to split X, Y, the test sites. We're going to do the split the data into 80% of training data and 20% for testing. Okay, this is where we're going to build the two model. The first one is the SVM model. Okay, we're going to set all this. You're going to use the training data and also the test data to perform this model. And the next one is building the linear regression model. Same goes to this. We're going to use the training data and the test data. Okay, when all the model are performing and when we are completing all this model, SVM and linear regression, then we can use this model to do the prediction. Okay, this is what we got for the prediction, the close, pricing, and the prediction price for 30 days. This is using the SVM, and then this is using the linear regression prediction. From this we can plot the data. This is the prediction data for SVM model. Okay, this is all the data, and this is the result. So based on this, we can do the we can compare the closing price and the prediction. Okay, from this graph we can see the close is in the red color and the prediction is in the blue color. So this is the SVM result, close versus prediction price, and this is the linear result for close versus prediction price. Okay, that's all. So we can use this model to build our apps, mobile apps, and also web application apps. Okay, thank you.